tried YouTube automation using ChatGPT without going to create any content by myself or to hire someone. If you don't know about YouTube automation, in short, it's an idea running a YouTube channel, upload videos and collect ad revenue from those videos without showing your face.
These are some big successful faceless YouTube channels. They have subscribers in millions, also make millions with AdSense only.
There are more opportunities to make money with YouTube automation that I will reveal in the video. Now, to build a YouTube automation business, there are 3 phases and I will explain every phase step by step. Phase 1 is all about doing research, finding niche and viral idea. Phase 2 is production phase. And this is going to be the most exciting part of this video because I am not going to create any content by myself like scripting, editing, recording, or also I am not going to hire someone. Third phase is monetization phase and this is my favorite part. I will tell you different ways to monetize a YouTube automation channel. Now let's talk about phase 1. So I did some research about YouTube automation, like what it is all about, how it works, because I was not much familiar about YouTube automation. After research, I got to know first I need to decide my niche, and it is the first most important part to choose right niche. Don't just choose any random niche and start uploading videos. If you choose a right niche, then your half job is done. I want to choose a niche that can get views in millions so that I can make good amount of money that can target broad audience, larger audience, also has good CPM. Also, there should not be any copyright issue on the content that I will create so that I can easily monetize my channel. When I was doing research, I saw a lot of people that are not able to monetize their channel because the content they are uploading that has copyright issues. Then I did some research about niche, also saw some other successful faceless YouTube channel, tried to analyze them, trying to understand their strategy. Then I decided my niche, and it is make money online because I am already working in that industry, so it will take less time and effort working on that YouTube channel. On that channel, I will share new ideas, new strategies, new opportunities to make money online, and I am going to target large audience with that channel. Now it's time to choose a viral idea to create my first video, and most people don't realize the power of great idea, and I decided my viral idea, and that is I am going to make video on how to make money online with ChatGPT. There is 2 reasons I decided that topic. First, it fits into my niche. I am going to make video that is related to my niche. Another reason is ChatGPT is already trending, so there is higher chance to get more views on that video. Then I researched more about the topic and saw other people videos, how they are making videos on ChatGPT and how their videos are performing. And I decided the title of the video, which is actually a difficult part for me every time. But that I am going to reveal in the video later. Now let's talk about second phase, production phase. It's the whole process of creating the video, scripting, writing, editing, recording. Either people hire someone on Fiverr for every task, to write the script, to create the video, for editing, to create the thumbnail, or they do all the stuff by themselves. But I have my main YouTube channel. Still I need to upload videos consistently on this channel, and my affiliate marketing business and other stuff also. Also, I'm very lazy to do the work and it's freezing cold. How will I able to do all the stuff by myself? If I calculate, it will take me 4 hours to write the script, 2 hours to record the video, and more than 6 hours to edit the video. How will I able to do that? Not possible. I'm not going to do that. So will I drop the idea to start a YouTube automation channel and make money while sleeping? No, we are not going to drop the idea, and we will make money while sleeping, because yesterday I got the amazing idea. Yesterday I was scrolling on the YouTube and I saw lot of videos on chatgpt on my homepage, and one idea struck into my mind. Can I use chatgpt or any other AI software to create my videos? Then I searched it on the Google and I already saw a lot of videos on it. Then I decided I am not going to create content by myself or to hire someone. I am going to use chatgpt to create my YouTube videos, and one another secret software that I will reveal you in the video later. It's going to save me a lot of time. I'm so excited. Oh, I forgot. I have something interesting for you. If you want to build an affiliate marketing business in just 30 days and make money as soon as possible, then there is a free masterclass worth $1,000. All you need to do is click on the link in the description and register for the masterclass. If you don't know about ChatGPT, in short, it's a software tool that will answer questions, write articles, and also create simple software tools with code. It does all these very well, just like a human will do it, and it even does it faster. Now let's see how I am going to create a YouTube script for my video using ChatGPT.
Search ChatGPT OpenAI. Click on the ChatGPT. Click on Try ChatGPT. Make your free account. Then sign up for the ChatGPT. I already signed up, and after sign up you will get this interface. So I am going to search here. Would you please write a YouTube script for me on creative ways to make money using ChatGPT? Let's see. So this is the introduction. That's great. Generate content for your website or blog. Create chatbot for customer service and build your own language model, create content for social media, write articles on ebook. Now in just few seconds, whole script is ready. I want to do some changes. Can you give me more details on above ways? Generate content for your website or blog. With ChatGPT, you can easily generate unique, engaging content for your website. Create chatbot for customer service support. Here the software is giving more information on the above ways so that I can add into my script. Can you give me 3 more ways to make money using ChatGPT? Generate script for video or audio content. Create chatbots for e-commerce or online stores. You can see the software is remembering the conversation like a human. So here is my script ready in just a few minutes. I just put together all these ways in a order so that there is a flow in my script and my video.
Now this is the only first part. I got my script and it's time to create the video, and for that I am going to use another software. Let me show. I am going to use Pictree to create the videos. It's a software that can create automatically highly shareable branded videos from your long form content. It's quick, easy and cost effective. Also, you don't need any technical skills. To test the software, just sign up for their free account. So after sign up, you will get this interface. Now you can create videos from script, article, using text or visuals. So I'm going to create videos with the script. So I just copy and paste the script that I got from ChatGPT and click on proceed. Now choose a template from the following templates. I am going to choose this one.
Make sure to add space between your script, between the lines, and you can see in just few seconds my whole video is ready. Now just add background music if you want, voiceover. There is already voiceover available in the software. You can apply to your video. Let's see the preview of the video.
Hey there, and welcome to this video on 5 creative ways to make money using chat.
Here's the preview.
If you're not familiar with chat, it's a powerful tool that allows you to generate
Here is the preview. So it did the good job, but not much. Like you can see this scene, there are some scenes that are not going with my video, so I need to did some changes in the video, some scenes that are not relating with the video. So I did some changes. It took me around 1 hour to do the changes, but yeah, it saves me a lot of time. You cannot rely 100% on the software. It will make your work easier. You can see there are so many videos and images available. You just need to type here what you want and you will get great images. So you just need to add that. You don't need to search anywhere and without copyright. There is no issue of copyright. So yeah, it saves a lot of time, but still you need to put at least 1 hour to if you want to make a good video. Now video is done. It's time to upload the video. And one more thing I want to tell you, the software is not free. You need to pay for the software, otherwise you will get a watermark in the video. So you can test the software first, and if you like it, you can pay for that. And it's going to be investment for you because it will save you a lot of time. So this is the channel that I created, Make Money Hub, and I uploaded the first video and I got 3 views, which I did not expected. But yeah, I got 3 views in 24 hours. So did you just see how easy it is to make videos with ChatGPT and other softwares like Pictory if you don't want to show your face?
Now let's talk about how I'm going to monetize this YouTube channel, because that is the ultimate goal of making this channel. So I have 3 main different ways to make money with this channel. First is AdSense, second is sponsorships, brand deals, and third affiliate marketing. To make money with AdSense, I need to have 1000 subscribers, also to complete 4000 hours watch time. After that, I can make money through AdSense. So I am going to upload more videos on this channel so that I can monetize this channel as soon as possible. Also, to make money with affiliate marketing, what I will do when I start getting views like 1000, 2000 on the videos, I will put the link in the description box of the products related to that audience. Like I can promote courses or info products that teach people how to make money online, or I will figure out what type of products I can promote. Also, with sponsorship and brand deals, I need to build a subscriber base. After that, I can make money from sponsorship and brand deals. So it's just a starting phase. I will keep updating you. Let me know in the comments below if you want to know what are the results I got on that YouTube channel after 30 days. Now, if you want to know 7 ways to make money using ChatGPT, then click here and watch this video.